guys, welcome to another video this week, and today we will learn about addition of fractions. So we have we have three examples here, and this is addition of similar fractions, which means addition of two fractions that has the same denominator, and then this is addition of dissimilar fractions, which means addition of fractions which don't have same denominator, or their denominators are different. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. So we have 1/2 plus 3/2. The first thing that you will need to do in adding similar fraction is just really simple and really easy. So first is you will copy the denominator 2, and then you will add the numerator 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to pila? 4/2. We can convert this one to lowest term. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. So we have 4 divided by 2, that would be 2, over 2 divided by 2, that's 1. Or we can just say 2. So the answer of 1/2 plus 3/2 is 2. How about number 2? 3/6 plus 1/6. How do we add this? Very easy. Just copy the denominator and add the numerator. 3 plus 1. So what is 3 plus 1? That would be 4. Then just copy the denominator 6. We can change this one to lowest term. Our GCF is 2. So 4 divided by 2, that would be 2 over 6 divided by 2, that would be 3. So our answer is 2/3, 2/3. Then let's go to the next one. We have 1/4 plus 3/4. So copy the denominator, which is 4, and then we will add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is actually 4/4. And if you can see this, 4/4 is actually equal to 1. This is our answer. So that is how you will add similar fractions. So you will just need to copy the denominator and add the numerator. Is that understood? Okay, so we'll go ahead and proceed to addition of dissimilar fractions. So in adding dissimilar fractions, it is quite different than adding similar fractions, but it's just really easy as well. The first thing that you will need to do is find the LCD of 3 and 4, least common denominator. The least common denominator is actually the LCM of the denominator, which means 3 and 4. So 3 is equal to 3 and 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So you will need to get the least common multiple. So since we don't have any similar digits here, we can just simply say 3 times 2 times 2. So 3 times 2 times 2, this is 12. Therefore, our LCD or LCM of the denominator is 12. Okay? If you have difficulties in getting the LCM, I would suggest that you will look up the previous videos because I discussed that one thoroughly. But this time, we will focus more on addition of fractions. So you can review it and then come back if you have fully understood the topic. So 3 times 2 times 2, that would be 12. Then next step is 12 divided by 3. This is 4. Then we will multiply 4 times 2, that would be 8. Then we will continue. 12 divided by 4, that would be 3. 3 times 1, that would be 3. So, plus 3. And then proceed with adding. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 over 12. This is our answer. Okay? So we'll continue to the next one. We have 1/8 plus 5 over 12. Now, to solve this, we will need to find the LCM of our denominator. We will find it. We will solve that one here. So, what is the LCM of 8? Or, I'm sorry, what are the prime factorizations of 8? That would be 2 times 2 times 2. How about 12? That would be 2 times 2 times 3. That is 12, right? Now, we will find the least common multiple. So, this is the first pair. Here, this is 2. Second pair times 2. Then, we will multiply the rest. Times 2 times 3. So, 2 times 2, that would be 4. Times 2, that would be 8. Times 3, that would be 24. So, our least common denominator or LCD or LCM of the denominator is 24. Okay? So 24 divided by 8. How much is 24 divided by 8? That would be 3. 3 times 1. Okay, we'll have 3 here. 24 divided by 2. That would be 2. 2 times 5. That would be 10. So plus 10. So our answer is 13 over 24. This is our answer. How about number 3? Last number. So we have 3/4 plus 1/2. So we will need to find the LCM of the denominator. So we have 4 and we have 2. 4 is 2 times 2 and 2 is just 2. So our greatest common factor GCF is 2. Then multiply that one with the rest. So our LCM here is 4. So we will say this is 4. Then 4 divided by 4, that would be 1 times 3, 3. 4 divided by 2, the answer would be 2 times 1. So the answer is 2. So 3 plus 2, that would be 5. And then over 4. If your answer is in the improper fraction, be sure to change it to mixed number. So 5 over 4 is equal to 1 and 1/4. If you convert that into mixed number. If you don't know how to convert it to mixed number, watch the previous video about converting mixed number to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed number. And that's it for today. Okay? See you guys in our next video. Goodbye.